Hello guys, it's Purple Gamer yet again. Okay, well, we're going to be trying to practice those insane clips where people do the fist jump and stuff and then they hit an insane trick shot. So I'm gonna try to do that. Let's hope I can do it. For now I can actually not hit any good stuff, so yeah. We got a lot to do. Oh, no way I hit that. Okay, you know what? Can I this? Whoa, I didn't hit it. I didn't hit it. That's quite silly. Okay, so fist jump combo over here, and shot. Okay, that was good. One, but now I'm going to go all the way over there. So boom. So now let's hope that I can do satchel jumping right this time, because I do not have an idea. Yikes. I got no momentum from that, man. I think I better learn how to satchel jump first. Then I will do some other stuff. Okay. That didn't even give me a little bit of it, dude. Oh man, can anyone teach me how to use these or something? Because, yeah, I'm not quite good with them. Okay, we got one. Okay, we got one again. And nope, I am still quite messing this up, dude. Okay. Right, I think we should go back to sniping now. Okay. Let's see. Okay. One shot. Nope. It didn't work. Okay, let me try to hit a shot from all the way over there. Can I even hit that one? I don't know, man. But I'm gonna try to do it. Okay. Yup. Nah, man, I fell off. Again. Okay. Wee. Okay. Yeah, so now I just gotta jump over here. Jump over here. Why do I keep on messing this up, man? This is so easy, man. This is so easy. Okay, let's see if I can hit a good shot from over here, alright? Satchel. Yoink. Okay. Bro, what type of momentum did I even gain? I didn't even gain a little speed. No, mister. I have an idea. I'm gonna go on a montage now. Okay? That's exactly not how I want to start my montage, but works. Okay. We are all getting hit markers, man. Okay. I'm cooking a little bit now. Okay. Oh my god. My aim sucks. Okay. I think I'm out of bullet. Yeah, I'm out of bullet. Okay. Comment down what should I practice next, because I actually have no idea, so please help. I'm gonna give you a quick review of my account too today. If you guys wanted to do this video, I'll give you this one actually. Okay, that, I had that, I had that. Okay, I only got like 5 more shots left. Boom. I missed. Ah, can you blow up? Okay. Oh my, I legitimately thought I was gonna hit a cliff, man. Okay, nope, they left. Okay. Great. I think I'm going to do like one more montage, but except in the last ones. Okay, now let me just boom, boom, boom. Oh, never mind, that is okay. That got stuck. That guy just had. Okay, so okay, let me start from over here now again. No scope! Okay, my montage. What? I wasn't even aiming there, dude. Whoa! Okay, this was cleared. Now we just got to. Okay, get that. Get that. I'm skipping everybody. I am King of the Halo. Boom shakalaka boom boom. Shakalaka boom boom. Blow up, my friend. Blow it up. After one more thing that I wanna do, we'll do a quick like account like thingy. So just wait, alright? Okay, so I'm gonna try to do the. Okay, I'm quite doing it right now. Oh, okay. I'm messing it up right now, I'm gonna lie. Oh, okay, I'm out of ammo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Turn around. 10, baby. Whoa. Okay, that was good. Okay, should I aim a little bit to the wall? Okay, I think I should be aiming to the wall. Yo, I legitimately didn't thought I could done that. Never mind, I didn't mean to blow you up, my friend. Okay, so the trick is aim like a little bit. Your crosshair should be like on the wall. Okay. See, it's working. Okay. Yeah, but not too much in the wall. Okay. We'll go here. So like, don't like get your gun in there. Just like, just a little bit, so that like it's like does this and let's go. Dang it, I messed that one up. Sorry, I ain't the best here, but I'm gonna give you the best content. Okay, I'll give this one more try, and then we'll do like a quick what do you call it? A quick inventory tour, alright? Okay, so aim to the wall. Oh, okay. That works. Okay. Sorry guys, it's not your lucky day today. Okay. So I'm gonna do one last thing, alright? In the middle. Right in the middle. Yeah. Opened. 2 perfect portals. Now I have to perfectly placed in here and there. Alright. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, yeah, this is gonna take a real while. Whoa! Yo, let me get in third person on real quick. Whoa, that is some insane speed. I'm running over here. As soon as I get back, yikes, it kind of messes me up, not gonna lie. I think PC players can do it a lot better. Because, yeah, this one is like way better. Because I can only do it like 2 constantly, like after that I just see, I'm trying, but it ain't working. Oh, it was working, wait. Wait, I'm gonna do it again. Wait. Yo. Wait a second. Whoa, okay. I gained a lot of speed, I can say that. Inventory tour. Okay, yeah, we are doing inventory tour, so yeah, be ready for nothing crazy. Alright. Let's go. Alright, we just got glitched. Let's pop it open. Let's see what we got. We got a tennis ball. Alrighty. Okay. Who cares? I don't. Well, this is my AR. And I got quite a lot of wraps. This is one of my favorites, but I like this as well when it's like inverted like this. And for now I'll just keep the sky one on this because I really like it for some reason. So yeah. Wow, that actually looks good. Well, that actually kind of looks good, okay? I don't have any skins, but I have a lot of good like wraps for this one. I got a lot of mythicals. Well, then we got my favorite bow, at least. This, I actually like this a lot, but I don't really play with it. It's just for the go. And this is one of my favorite weapons, the crossbow. I use this against the players who like use like katana on me, and then I keep on shooting their katana with my sniper because of the auto shoot. Then there's gunblade, which my cousins love for some reason. Then the RPG, which I don't use because it calls me a spam. A lot of people call me noob if I use it, so yeah. The only skins I have is this. You know how to get it, it's just on the pass that you have to grind for yourself. I don't have skins for this except this one, but I do have a couple of these. That's all I have, but I keep it on none because it looks good the way it is. And last but not least, we got my least favorite grenade, or you can call it dynamite. And why it's my least favorite? Because I got it when I was like grinding season tickets, and I bought this like skin case accidentally. Yeah, so I literally got a scam right there, which I wasn't gonna, but just fine. I'm not even gonna lie at this point. I've gotten scammed so many times. At this point, it's just fine for me. Does that make sense to you? Probably doesn't. Who cares about common sense nowadays? Anyways, what I was saying was that I wanted to get some like, okay, this is okay. Not very what can I say? Alright, very glitchy situations going on here. I think I gotta leave. Oh, I need to leave. Okay, I thought I was gonna need to leave. This is like the stuff I bought just now. What do we got? What do we got? Okay, not bad. Okay, as you know, my luck is quite trash. And I'm Purple Gamer, and I am out. With my weird smiley face, by the way, buddy. Well, bye. See you guys later. Yippee! Huh? I didn't cancel him.